you think, guys? Real cream cheese. Oh my gosh, it was so much easier than I thought. The butter came out so good. Today we're gonna try to make cream cheese. But you know around here, we don't do things like everybody else. So we're gonna finish it in the Ninja Creami. Will it work? I don't know. Stay tuned. Real butter, real cream cheese, real carnivore buns. Doesn't get much better than this. I used to think making butter required special equipment and ingredients I couldn't pronounce. After I made that video, one of my YouTube friends suggested I make cream cheese, and I said to myself, yeah, I should. Then I discovered you can make creamy, delicious cream cheese with just 3 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: whole milk, lemon juice, and salt. Well, this changes everything. For years, I bought diet foods that left me hungry and battling constant cravings. I thought eating healthy had to be complicated and expensive. Then I discovered something revolutionary in the last year. When you eat real food that actually nourishes your body, weight loss becomes effortless. There's no more counting calories, no more fighting hunger pangs. Everything seemed to go away. Real whole milk contains fat-soluble vitamins our bodies actually crave. These healthy fats don't spike insulin or trigger endless hunger signals. When you eat real foods your great-grandmother could recognize and pronounce, your metabolism works with you instead of against you. The weight I lost eating real food like this, it stayed off, and I've never felt deprived or like I was on some restrictive diet for once in 45 years. If you're ready to stop overthinking food and start eating in a way that actually supports your health and weight goals, this is where it begins. Sometimes the most life-changing discoveries are hiding in the simplest places. And mine was waiting in a bowl of whole milk, ready to teach me that real food isn't complicated. I just forgot how easy it could be. There's something incredibly empowering about taking back control of your food. When you can create something this delicious and nutritious with just these simple ingredients, you realize how much the food industry has been overcomplicating everything. Oh, it's starting to separate. You see? Oh my gosh, this is exciting. It's starting to curdle. I see it. So because it's starting to curdle, I'm just going to drop it. No, I'm just going to leave it go at a 6. I'm going to add my 2nd tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm so excited. It's starting to work. The mad cook, the mad scientist. Oh, it's really curdling now. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, the separation is like, oh my gosh, did you see how fast that happened? Wow, was that quick? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I think after it separates, are you done? Oh my gosh, that was so fast. So I don't think I need to do any more because it's separated. Now, I'm gonna pull it off the heat and let it cool down for a minute and just stir it for a second. Oh my gosh. I am so excited how fast that happened at the end. So it's very tedious, it seems, but then look how fast it happened. Look, there's our cream cheese. We're gonna strain it in a second, but let's let it cool for a second. I think that's it. That was so fun. Set that up. I'm gonna use my cheesecloth. This thing is huge, huh? Wow, that is a big cheesecloth. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna strain this. You see it? There's our cream cheese. Okay, so this in the bottom is this is the curds, and the bottom is the lemon juice is the whey. So now I just got to squeeze this to get the liquid out. I feel like I'm milking a cow. I don't think you should drain it like 100%. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Because they say that if it's not creamy enough, you add a little bit of the whey, which is the lemon juice, back in. It's like, well, we don't want to drain it completely because then we just have to add it back in. So you just saw how much I drained it. Now I'm gonna spin it in the Ninja Creami. This is the Ninja. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna tilt this down so you can see. This is what it looks like. Looks like one big white blob. I'm gonna throw it in there. Okay, now I'll get this out of the way. This is what it looks like, and it's gonna go in the Ninja. Now, a lot of people are using food processors, but Karen's not most people. So I'm gonna do it in the Ninja. I wanna get you set up. There's the Ninja. Pretty loud. No, I have never seen anybody do this online, by the way. This is a Karen original. Okay, so it says ice cream, light ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt. What do you think, guys? Let's call it, oh, I don't know. Gelato? I don't know. Have you ever used one of these? Go like this. Let's flip this down so you can see. Flip it on. Okay, put it in. Then it's locked. Push the power button. Okay, it gets really noisy, so I'm not gonna make you listen to this whole noisy thing. But let's see, let's go. Okay, it's on the bottom. Ice cream's 2, light ice cream's 4, gelato's 2. Let's try it on gelato. This proves you don't need their preservatives, their stabilizers, and their profit-driven ingredients. You just need real food, prepared simply, eaten without guilt or confusion. So if you're ready to stop overthinking food and start eating in a way that actually supports your health and weight loss, this is where it begins. With simple ingredients, simple preparation, and the confidence that comes from knowing exactly what you're putting in your body. Try this at home and discover what real food can do for you too. Sometimes the most life-changing discoveries are hiding in the simplest places, and mine was waiting in a bowl of cream, ready to teach me that real food isn't complicated. I just forgot how easy it could be. Out. Okay, let's see what this is like. Let's get this back over here. Now, lots of times when I make the ice cream, I gotta spin it again. Oh, so let's see. Okay, this is the consistency so far. Let's taste it. You know what? I don't think I need to spin it more. Wow. That is unbelievable. There's your finished in the Ninja Creami. Karen project. There we go. Okay, this is it. This is as pure as it comes, guys. Guys, I love a food project like this. Like, this came out so good. Like, so easy. I think it needs more salt. The carnivore ketos love salt, and it's good for electrolytes. You guys, you could add garlic. You could make this, like, look at this. I love this. It's super creamy. Oh, you know what? I just thought of something. I have my carnivore bread that I made. I think I'm gonna toast a piece and have it with cream cheese. Let's do it. If you haven't watched, go watch this recipe on how I make the carnivore. I made this in the oven, which I have to do an updated recipe, but I also have it here for the air fryer. But I'm gonna toast this a little and I'm gonna put my cream cheese on it. Where's my cream cheese? There's my cream cheese. If you haven't watched my homemade butter video, you should go watch it. My butter and my cream cheese with my carnivore bun. And do a little tasty. This is the butter I made the last couple days. So let's put a little butter. This is the best bread for our low carb. I love this bread. And let's take a little bit of cream cheese. Let's cut this in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half again. Now, let's try our butter cream cheese. Is that good? Honestly, it's like I'm eating a real bagel. 100%, but pure food. I am so excited about my cream cheese. If you get any value out of my channel, please subscribe. Leave me a comment. I have the hiccups. I love a good food project. How about you? I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. What do you think, guys?